What's up, guys? This is Cooper with CD Outdoors. Stay up here at the New River, doing a little smallmouth fishing, as you can tell back there. Perfect conditions. A little bit hot today. Supposed to get a little heat waves to go into the weekend, but without further ado, we're getting ready to take the kayak out there. Let's get this thing unstrapped, get it in the water, see how many fish we can catch. There's a little smallmouth. A tiny little guy. There's a little smallmouth. Heck yeah. Pretty smallmouth. There he is. It's a good sized fish. It's a good sized fish. Boom! That's a good fish right there. Heck yeah. Solid one. This is why we come to the New River. Big old beauties like that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous smallmouth. Let's let you go. See ya. Solid smallmouth right there. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Pretty little smallmouth. Heck yeah. Pretty old smallmouth. There he is. Big old smallmouth. Heck yeah. Gotta love it when they smoke that topwater. Boom! Gotta love it when they smoke that old topwater. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. That's a beautiful smallmouth there. Heck yeah. Well guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's little evening session on here in the river. Not the best day, but summertime heat put the fish in a funky mood sometimes. Gorgeous view though. Get out here, nice day. Get out after work for a few hours. Come out here, catch some fish. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Leave you guys on that view right there.